Someone's coming down. Yeah.
Climbing and the coconut tree.
Bang!
Wow, nabuak.
Here he comes. Coming down.
Yeah. Oh. You see?
Yeah. That's just bloody amazing stuff. That is definitely a skill and a half. Should be in the Olympics, that. Coconut. Should be in the Olympics.
Layo po kayo na imong hak-hak dong. Lagi, layo kayo na imong hak-hak.
How much we are?
Huh?
How much we give?
Give that.
Got some money?
Yeah, I don't have a brain.
We'll come to give. Come back.
Yeah.
Going with both of them.
That is game. Oo. He come in the house.
Yeah.
Sama ka sa, o ba nga sama ko niya? Ha?
Ha?
Adto ka sa balayon niya. Imagine daw, saka kag lubi kay wala sa ila. Imagine daw nga saka ka og lubi niya habog kuno kayo. Wala may lubi gud sa ilagod.
Ay, lubis lahat?
Wala biyadong. Kakahuyan noon daghan.
Ha?
Kakahuyan.
Oh, inom.
Ngaon tag butong, inom tag sabaw. You drink. Drink.
Chocolate full.
You drink.
Okay.
Oh.
This way or this way?
Ini. What do you want? What do you want a position? Oh, it's yummy.
Yes.
Sarap das. Lami daw kayo.
Hold.
Like that.
Ah. Very nice, isn't it? Chilled to be beautiful.
Yeah. Tasty.
Mm.
Sweet.
Touch of salt, maybe.
Lami siya sa bawang.
Lubis.
Yeah, there'd be almost a litre in there. Almost a litre.
Maybe, yeah. 1 liter. Isang liter ni no. Suludan eh. Mga 1 liter no.
Oo.
Yeah.
Di ako ilugit, di. Kaya meron di ka kabalo.
Da, kabalo di ko dong.
Oh, sige. Ikaw na lang.
Pasigod lang ka.
Kabalo na ka.
Oh!
Wala ka nalimot.
Ay, wala oy.
Oh.
Ngantag ba to?
Very good.
Ay, teka lang. Baliktad ako. Like that.
Sabi niyo mo gini, kabuak ni sanggot.
Hindi. Kabalo ko makabuhat. Pero murag hagok mabali ba?
Ano siya ka ng ganso ba?
Ooh. Don't get your finger in the road. My goodness.
Na may mga anidas doon.
Balhin.
Nun ba? Kani ba?
Agi na dito pagkahulog.
Nagkan no?
Look at that.
Iyabig sa baw, iba ano rin sa baw. Iyabig sa baw. Sabi ito yung vlog mo din. Kasi sa baw.
Yeah.
Get the coconut cream out.
Yep. Eat.
Kaya nang bunta ko rin, lampas ko dari.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, beautiful.
Ano?
Ano? Ano eh? Wala na ito. Balik ko sa pula.
Kaya to kuha ng ano?
Sa pula ko, sa pula.
Yeah,
Ito
like,
naman.
yeah, some ice cream with it, or
Yeah.
bit like banana ice cream, or
Yeah. Mix.
um, what else?
Like salad.
Custard.
Yummy.
That's enough for me.
Kami kaya sa baw kay tamis. Atong ko ano na oh. Sana yung nga niya eh. Lamang yung ba lamang. Saging dito. Yummy.
Oh, yeah. That was a very special treat. Thank you. Taking it back. Where it goes, I suppose. Throws it on the fire.
Busog na ako. Kaon na lang asa.
Might be hungry tonight.
Ano mo gamita? Busog.
Joma, you didn't go up?
No?
I go up. Try.
No,
No,
no, no,
only there.
no. She did as a little girl. She was sitting on her father's back when she was only a little girl. Right up, went right up, apparently. Don't you? No. No, come on, you'll get a bad ankle like me. Look at this. Look. Ah!
Dong.
No. No, come on.
Nasama na ako dali.
Well done. You did well. You did well. Oh, yeah. You did well. They're crazy people. Crazy, mate. Where'd you go? Watch out. One's going to come down. Hit you on the head.
No.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Damn, don't they hit with a thump? Phew.
Yeah.
The whole...
Nga untag butong guys. Ayoy, nabuak man si butong. Yu. Bug. Na, nabuak na tanan. Wala na, sakto na na. Oh. Ah, bali po na. Wokong, marami mong
Well, that's a bloody good effort. How many coconuts did he just knock down?
Oh, that is a lot. Look at that.
Yeah.
Ayan. Dami naming butong guys. Dara ko. Hatag ragon nila ng usadong nangayo. Dara daw. Hatag nila yung nabuak daw. Kay nangayo. Ay nangayo og butong guys. Ngayo sila. Ayun no, panang buak, bahatag na nila. Nakakaon na kami ng butong. Asa man nato ni butang? Dira ka ni mahulog di ani? Dira ka ni mahulog di ani? Butang nato sa ato.
Ano sa lod ay? O, di sa ato pa na. Ay, daghan na kayo ni.
Lagi. Lamawon ba ka?
Sakto na ko nun.
Sakto gunod. Lamawon ba? Ala, nanay buak di ana oh. Nagtubo, nagkuan siya agos ang sabaw. Lamawon.
Lamaw.
Lamawon. Ban ka sa balay?
Lah.
Tala.
Madong ko muli ako sa ra.
Narbo. Mura man ka din.
Looking forward to watching that because
Iskarga na dito. Taas.
when they hit the ground, my goodness me.
Eh,
Be interested to see how sticky they are.
Dami na namin butong.
Pila rin yun, murag ilaw man ni.
Hilaw.
O, daot.
Daot na. Asa man na?
O, kung ano kami ka bagto.
Oh. Na.
O, dalaw, pati o. Paglalain mo daw.
Oh. Wala na inakuan dito?
Wala na.
Tara na.
Ang sa utabangan, hindi na ba ulo? Hindi na.
Ay.
Well done, girl.
Is.
Hey? Look at that. They expended more energy
Yes.
in 30 minutes than I spent in
Eh,
a full week.
That is the work in
Strong.
the work in the papa's lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, lot of coconut
How many
trees that is harvesting like that.
asked him how many trees do you climb a week?
Oh, it's not a week.
In a week. In the harvest.
No, that day. A day.
Or how many a day?
Day. Nang pila ka punuan ni mo masaka sa kadlaw pag magkupra ka.
Ah, bisan mag sa gatos, basta kay kuan, basta kay nailahin.
That is 100 pesos. 100 the trees. Coconut trees.
In a day.
It's not all day. If they have a good
Oh, yeah.
how many coconut trees?
Got to climb 100 trees
Climbing.
to get the coconut.
Yeah, get the coconut. And 100 pesos that's more coconut trees. He's climbing.
I wonder how many average a year on coconut. Asking how many coconuts on a good palm tree every year.
Harvesting, that is pila ka
Ulan?
pila ka bisis mag-harvest sa katuig?
Alo, kuan na katulo.
Katulo sa katuig?
Oh.
3 times sa dito harvesting.
3 times.
Yeah, coconut.
So,
Every 3 months.
Every 3 months.
Yeah, every 3 months
And
harvesting.
how many coconuts each time, roughly?
If they have a good coconut, that is lot. That is more.
Yeah, but
Ilang
5,
sako yan
10,
ga? Dong, ilang
15.
sako dong pag mag-harvest ka? Sa usa ka harvestan.
Ano depende og daghang bunga. Ay ko siya og kuan. Abot.
Daghang abot.
Pero
Oh.
kabayro pa siya bunga di.
Yeah.
Kaya depende na lang sa bunga.
If the coconut tree, one coconut tree like that, that is a lot. That is more harvesting like that. That is more stock.
Yeah.
But if a little bit like that, that is one coconut tree, that is a little bit. The seeds,
You don't really know how many
Yeah.
on average, but
yeah.
maybe 5,
No, that is more.
more than 5.
Yeah, more sacks. Like that. You see? You see?
Each time.
That is more.
Each harvest.
Yeah,
There's 3 harvests a year, so
three
it
times.
could be 30 coconuts a year
The
one
coconut
tree.
that is good.
off one tree.
The coconut trees planting that is good. From now because the coconut is
Got
expensive.
a tough job here. What are we going to do? Way on the right hand side. Oh, clever.
Mga bubog diri oh, mga bildo. forest.
Look at that.
That is making the roof. That
Okay.
one.
Yeah, thick it is. You know?
Ay, that is the river.
Got a picture of it. Thickness of it. You know?
No, I have a video here. I get a video. Panguli nami, nakatao nami putong. Manamig pa putong. Kadagatan, ampingan, plastic, likayan.
That must be four-wheel vehicle. Too heavy.
Yeah. Only like that, but four wheels is cannot allowed to enter here. May naligo oh. They have 2 kids to swimming.
Don't you fall off on your side, do you?
That is dangerous. So,
It is. We'll be both down in the mud.
you.
When you go to fishing.
Dipolog School of Fisheries la. Oh, dito po ako. Oh, may mga kuha na sila, handam na mga tuga. Mga tuga na sila. Nasa makagikan? Beri. Nasa nga pa yung ano?
He wants to cross it one.
Here.
Cross that one.
Nasa man magikan ng dula?
Dito, sa unahan sa south.
Sa south. Ay, yung ano yung gatuan? Nasa man yung ibang dula?
Group lang.
They were just showing us how you're going to climb coconuts.
I don't know how to climb up.
Because look, you got the perfect legs. Nice long climb up.
No, but it's dangerous because we have the ratio of the legs.
Good feel. Still ache a little bit or
Nah, it's alright.
yeah. And nice and able to stand.
Yes,
No balance.
it's balanced.
Yeah, good. So good job. He's all good.
Yes, it's good.
No headache coming. No headache coming. Eyes good.
Yes.
Yeah. Very good. Good.
Yeah. He's not drink out. He's not take the medicine for the blood clot. It's only turmeric.
Yeah.
That is lucky.
Well, yeah. Yeah.
Eh,
Bumata.
Paano nila buklog diha oh? Kung nila baligya.
Really cousins.
Good yan, yeah. na kami. May lamaw na kami, aray lamawon. Ayun pa, oh. Nadaga na kayo namig malamaw.
Mas ano yun, lamahon niya.
Oh, pwede karon dayon. Madaot naman ako dinala ko anong dayon ron. Kay nangabuak man.
Lamahon niya, limaro, kuskuson niya.
Oo, kuspuso.
Lamahon kay para pang anak.
Mga ano dayon.
Siguro da.
Di mo tangan dayon og biskwit. Ah, na ay fresh milk diha. Ay, ayos.
Ano na po,
Di man na trans... Wala, to sa kuan punta. Di man na trans... di man tamis ang fresh milk.
Sila sila?
Tanga kasukal. Ah, wala doon. Nagkuan sa simbahan ba? Na nagpintikasi ba?
Kasi ito, sa 200 sa 20.
Mm.